Meow. Come over here, you cat. All right, this is not what you would expect from CNN, I'm sure. But nonetheless, this is the reality of house sitting for Alicia's mom. Alicia and I produce art together, including, I guess, in particular, pieces of driftwood that she draws on in a way that is very evocative and interesting. After I have cleaned up the wood and come up with some ideas to put on the wood, and I'm a writer, so I work with words, and the wood itself causes me to think of things, or I have thoughts in the wood, whatever. So I'm going to read one of these right now. You can see it there, I think. It's colorful. I do the coloring for the most part. Yeah. Cast upon the shores of space and time by that combination of fate and will and randomness that rules the universe, each of us can. And this option, utterly unexpected, is both duty and miracle. Can attain a perch from which to ponder and seek actively both to apprehend and to impact the vast intertwining intricacy of all that is.